Welcome back, my lovely peoples. So, I'm back with your new chapter, and that is comparisons. You have learnt about comparison greater than, less than, equal to in mathematics, isn't it? But in English, it is way more different. In English, comparison is in three parts. Positive sentence comparison you do, then you compare between two people, and then there is the superlative degree. So, for example, you just read these sentences. Varun is a tall boy. Varun, I'm saying about Varun. This one is Varun. Varun is a tall boy, and Aman is taller than Varun. This is Aman. Aman is taller than Varun. Aman is taller than Varun. Now, in this sentence, I am comparing two peoples. We compare Aman and Varun together. That is why I said taller. Now, in this one, Mohan is the tallest boy in the class. In this one, Mohan is the tallest boy. Now, when we compare Mohan and the other boys of the class, so I use the third degree, that is the tallest. So I have 3 degrees, that is tall, taller, tallest. When I'll say simply about any person, I'll just use the first degree, that is tall. When I'll compare two persons, I'll say taller. And when I will say of the whole class or of the whole world, of the whole if I'll say, then I'll use the third degree, that is tallest. Now, when I compare between two things or person, I use the middle one degree, that is the comparative degree. This degree is called comparative degree, and we use taller. My eraser is smaller. I use ER with the word. Like what was the word? The word was tall, so I used ER, taller. My eraser is smaller than yours. The blue sharpener is bigger than the red sharpener. So whenever I compare two things, now how to understand that you are comparing? The easiest way to understand that the sentence is comparing is you see the word than. When we compare two persons, things or animal, we use ER of the adjective. ER. We use ER of the adjective. The adjective was tall. You learned about adjective now. It is describing about the boy that is tall. So tall is the adjective. But when we compare two persons or things or animals, I use ER form of the adjective. ER form of the adjective, that means taller, smaller, bigger, like this. Okay? Now, when we compare two things, we use ER form of the adjective, and we also use than. Whenever in a sentence you see than, you just click that it is comparative degree, and you are comparing two persons or two things or animals, and suddenly you will use ER form of the adjective and your answer will be correct. Easiest way to understand the comparative degree or comparing when the sentence is saying about comparison is the word than. If the sentence has than, it is comparison. Clear? Let us take 2-3 examples. Now, the book is dash than the one. Than. I saw the word than. That is comparison. So I will have to use the ER form of the word light. The ER form of the light will be lighter. So the book is lighter than one. Tarun is dash than his brother. I saw the word than. So I will compare. When I will compare, I will use ER form of the adjective, and the adjective is smart. So I will use smarter. Tarun is smarter than his brother. Yeah. Now, there are some big words which cannot be used for comparison by adding er. We have to add more before these words. Now, all the forms of adjective cannot be used as er, like we cannot use er form of that adjective. Many adjective, big words are there: comfortable, beautiful, many other, important, exciting, interesting. So there are few words, big words, where we cannot use er form of the adjective. In that case, we use more comfortable, more beautiful, more exciting, more interesting, more important. You understand? So see this question. I am dash in this seat than that. You see the word than. You suddenly see than. That is comparative degree. You have to use comparative degree, that is er form. But the adjective here is comfortable. Comfortable is a big word. You cannot add er over there. So you have to use more comfortable. You cannot use comfortabler, er. You cannot use that. You have to use more comfortable. Jyoti is dash than Meera. You see the word than, you see than, then you say it is a comparative degree. I'll have to use er form of the adjective. But beautiful is a big word. So you have to use more beautiful. You understand? There are few words that is big. You cannot use er. Every word cannot be used er form of the adjective. So in few words are there where you have to use more. Like I said, the words are exciting, interesting, beautiful, comfortable, important. Like these are the words. Now third is when you compare between more than two things or person. First was you do not compare the sentence. You simply say it. Rahul is a tall boy. Seema is a smart girl. Flowers are beautiful. Like you say a sentence, like simple sentence. In that case, you use only the adjective. Second was when you compare two things. Two things. Then you use er form of the adjective and it will also use than. Now third is when you compare more than two things. There will be people or things or animals more than two. Now read the sentence. Manya is the tallest girl in the class. Now here in this sentence, it is not said that there are 2 person or 3 person. It is about the class, and class has more than 2 persons. So in this case, I'll use the third form of the adjective, that is the tallest. The blue box is the largest of all the boxes. All the boxes. Now there are many boxes. Maybe there are 5, there are 10. Many boxes are there. So I'll use the est form of the adjective, and the adjective here is large. So I use est. Now when we compare more than 2 person, things or animals, you see here more than 2 persons or things or animals, we write est form of the adjective, and we also use the. Like Manya is the tallest, the blue box is the largest, we know this, the strongest. You understand? We use the with the est form, and when we compare more than 2, we use est form of the adjective. You see, est form of the adjective, est. Clear? Now, some big words cannot be used for comparison by adding est. Now when you are comparing more than 2 things, animals or persons, there will be big words. I said about big words. What are the big words? Like comfortable, beautiful, colorful, intelligent, exciting, interesting. These are the big words when you are comparing more than 2 to 3 persons. Now in this case, you cannot use est form. What you have to do, you have to add most before these words. Like if the adjective is comfortable, like in the bracket it is written comfortable, you have to use most comfortable. Most comfortable. When the word adjective is beautiful, you use most beautiful. Now, in which case you will use? When you are comparing more than two persons or place or animals or thing. Clear? Let us see few example. This is the dash cartoon I have ever seen. This is the dash cartoon I have ever seen. Now, ever seen says that there are many cartoons, more than two cartoons, more than three cartoons. So in this case, you have to use, when you compare more than two things, two animals or two persons, you use the est form. But I said that few big words cannot use est. In that case, we use most before the word. Now the adjective here is interesting, so I will use most interesting. Okay. Now, this is the dash painting in the exhibition. Now the word is beautiful. You have to use beautiful as an adjective, and beautiful is a big word. So you will use most beautiful. Why you use most? Because you compare more than two persons, more than two things, animals or persons. So painting is a thing. So there are many beautiful paintings. Like what in the exhibition, there are many paintings, like more than two paintings, three paintings will be there in the exhibition. So of all the paintings, this one is the most beautiful. So I use, when I compare of all the things, of all the paintings, then I use the third degree. So let us revise once more. So we saw that when we show comparison between two things, when we compare two things, we use er form of the adjective and the word will have than. So light becomes lighter, and we also use more with the big words. Like important, we use more important when you are comparing between two things. Now when we compare more than two things, okay, or animals or persons, we use est form of the adjective. Est, that is light become lightest and important become most important. Clear? Only two things you need to remember. When you are comparing between two things, you use er and more word before the adjective. And when we are comparing more than two things, animals or person, you use est form of the adjective and most before the adjective. Clear? You understood? Okay.